How to contact Klarna customer support. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Klarna customer service. Head over to the very first site. Once you're in the official site of customer service of Klarna, now you have to select the country. Once you've selected the specific country, you'll see two options in order to contact them. One is sign in to chat with us, and the other one is contact us. For now, let me choose contact us. It will land you on the space. In here, it says that the fastest way to get support about payment, returns, and more is to chat with us via the app. So simply move into your application and then chat with them. Or else, you can also see the number of the customer support. You can make a call to that number and state the problem that you have been facing with the application. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.